With the help of digital technologies, school students in Hanzhong City, northwest China's Shaanxi province can study and grow up in a smarter way. By the end of last year, 15 schools in Hanzhong had built smart classes, which enable teachers to design teaching activities according to the characteristics of different students. The application of intelligent technology also enables school canteens to provide students with a variety of food in line with scientific nutrition arrangement.
家长通过手机端呢，可以看到我们每天的一个营养搭配，也有利于我们在高中生活中通过均衡的膳食营养进行更好的成长。另外一个学习方面的话，最主要就是体现在每次考试的成绩分析，相当于为每位同学量身定制了一个学习计划。
通过智慧教育建设，有效提升了管理效能，满足学生个性需求的教育。
在未来呢，老师能力的提升，教育环境的进一步的完善，智慧教育的不断创新，来推进我们汉中教育改革的发展，以及数字化的转型。